Begins. They were always beside you, your nerdy best friends, and the DM to guide you. And they rise from the flames for the battles ahead. Villains beware, 'cause you're about to be dead. They got magic and flair, they have factions and cunning. They don't see over there, there's a monster incoming. Inspiration is fading, rise up, don't think twice. Put your fate in your hands.